Okay, so welcome back to this course. So now let's handle our last option, which is the reviews. I will display all the reviews of particular product in this option. Okay, so simply go to the constants, product constants, and let's actually copy this one. So Control C, put it here, and simply change it to get reviews. So that is get reviews request success, and then the fail. Save it. Go to the reducers, product reducer, and let's bring them in. So simply copy these and let's put that is get reviews, right? Create this one, and here I simply just actually copy this one. So copy it, put it here, and that is the product reviews reducer. Either I simply put in here an array of reviews, so reviews is an empty array, and then let's change this to get reviews. Okay, I don't need here reset, so I simply move it from here. So loading to true, and the success we simply have to put in here the reviews. So reviews, and then the error, and that's it. Simply save it, copy this one, go to store.js, and let's actually bring them in right here. So product reviews reducer, save it, product reviews. Okay, so now go back and let's copy these three constants. Control C, close it, go to actions, product actions, and at top let's bring them in, and at the end let's actually define this function. So Control C, that is get product reviews, and that is get product reviews. Right, we have to pass in the ID of the product, and then let's replace this with get reviews. Okay, we send the request, then we send the get request to slash API v1, and then the reviews, and we have to pass in the query the ID of the product. Okay, so that is ID of that product, and then it will be data dot reviews, and let's simply save it and go close this one. Go to the admin, create here new file, that is product reviews.js, right? And let's actually open here the list users. So RACFE, create the markup. I copy this one, so Control C, go back, put it here. So I need an MDB table. I don't need here link, I think so. Link. No, I don't need here link because I only have to delete the review. Okay, the metadata loader and the sidebar user dispatch, and I have to bring in from the product actions. From the product actions we have to bring in the get product reviews, and then also I have to get the constant, that is delete review reset from the product constants. Let's actually comment out this one, and then let's put in here our this code. So actually copy it, Control C, put it here, and first of all I also need here use state, because I also have to set the ID of the product. So use state. Okay, and after that I simply put in here const the product ID and set product ID that is equal to use state, pass in here nothing, and then the use alert, then dispatch, and then I have to bring in the loading error and reviews from state.product reviews. Okay, and then the use effect I simply have to don't call it. If error, I will display the error, and I will comment out this is deleted. Okay, I also put one more if condition, that if product ID is not equal to empty, then I will simply dispatch from here and get product reviews and pass in the product ID. Okay, let's actually put it here. Okay, and then they put in here the product ID. Okay, and then let's also comment out this one. We'll handle it later. So I will send it, and then also I will define here my submit handler. So when I submit, I have to send the ID to the function. So on submit handler, so e.prevent default, and then dispatch here get product reviews and pass in here the product ID. Okay, and then set the reviews here. So set reviews, first of all the review ID. Okay, then the rating, so rating, and then we have the comment. Okay, then the user who has commented it or given the review, so user, and then the actions. Here I simply put reviews. Let's quickly select this user, that is review. So review.id, then the rating, that is review.rating, then the comment, that is review.comment, and then the user, that is review.name. Okay, then the actions, I only have the delete button. Okay, I remove this from here, save it, and now I simply have to display here my markup. So I simply actually copy this one, so copy, Control C, put that right here, and this is the product reviews. So product reviews, I display the sidebar, and then after that I simply have to first of all display here the I don't have to display here the H1. I simply go back to my notepad++, you will see here this is the product reviews.html, and I simply copy from this tag, this one, so copy, and I go back and I paste it here. Simply save it. Now first of all, this div, this center, column 5, form, and form that on submit, I have to submit div form group, and also replace the class with the class name. So h class with the class name, and also this is the HTML4, alright, and this is the product ID field, not email field. So HTML4 enter product ID, and for the value I put here the product ID, and on change I will set product ID to e.target.value. Alright, after we have this button which will search this product and find all the reviews, and then I will simply put in here that also that if reviews exist and reviews.length is greater than 0, then I have to display this table. Okay, 0, and then I will simply put in here, I will simply actually put this, cut it out and put it here, and let's actually move this loader, we don't need it here. Okay, simply save it, and if we don't have it, I can put a p tag with the class of margin top of 5, then the text center, and then type here no reviews. Alright, simply save it, and I think so that's it. Now let's actually test it out. If I go to my app.js, let's bring in the import the product reviews from /components/admin/product reviews, and let's duplicate this one /admin/reviews, and then pass in here the product reviews. So product reviews, simply save it, and set users is not defined. Oh, we have to put in here set reviews, simply save it. Where it is set users, 138. Oh, 138. Oh, we don't have to put in here. We have to go here and then change it. That is set reviews. And now I think so it will work. If I go back, load the page, go to reviews, now you have this field here and no reviews. Let's go and find some product that has reviews. So I think this has review. Yes, this has one review. So I copy its ID from here, Control C, put it here, click on. So this is the review ID, then the rating, then the comment, which is awesome product, and the user, which is this one. Alright, and if I go back, let's put in another ID. I think so we don't have review for any other product. Let's copy this one, Control C, put that here, click on search. You will see that it has no reviews, right? So we are successfully displaying all the reviews in here. In my next video, I have to delete this particular review if I want to delete that. Okay, if I copy this, paste it here, you will see that if I want to delete it, I also have to give that option, right? So I will handle my delete button of this review in my next video. Okay, so welcome back to this course. In our previous video, we have successfully displayed all the reviews of the particular product, and now let's handle this delete button if I want to delete any review. Okay, So if I go back to my VS Code, let's go to first of all the reduce constants, product constants, and let's actually copy this one, so that is delete review. Okay, so I simply select this new, delete, save it, go back in the reducers, product reducers, and let's actually copy these fours. So copy, put that here, and that is delete review request. And at the end, let's create here the delete. I copy this reducer, so copy it. So copy and put it right here. Now you can also give here edit option, but I don't think so that edit makes any sense here, because this is a review. We can only delete that. We cannot edit the review of the other users. This is optional. If you want to add that, you can definitely add the edit button also here. It is totally optional, right? But I don't want to have the update here. So that is basically review reducer. Okay, in that, first of all, the remove this update all from everywhere, also this one, and also this one. So simply replace this delete product with the review. Okay, so loading to true, then false is related to action.payload, is related to false in the reset, and then here, so we save it. We also have to add it, that is the review reducer. Copy it, go to store.js, and let's bring this reducer also. Okay, and let's put in right here review, save it, go to top, let's copy these, Control C, and close this reducer also. Go to the actions, product actions, and let's bring them in. And I have to delete it, so I simply actually copy this one. So copy, put that here, and this is the delete product review, and simply type here delete review. Okay, pass in the ID, then the product ID. Okay, and then let's actually replace this with delete review request, then API v1, then let's put in here v1 slash admin slash review, and then slash delete. Okay, so admin review, then delete, then I have to pass in the ID, then also you have to pass in the product ID that I want to delete. Okay, so add product ID equals to the product ID. Okay, so this is the ID, this is the ID of the review, and this is the ID of the product. All right, and this will be data dot success. I think so, that's it. Also remove this log. I think so you also have here, let's go this one, oops, also this one, so we save it. And now if I go back to my product reviews, now let's go to top. First of all, I'll have to just this one uncommented, and then let's bring in the is deleted. So const is deleted use selector state dot review, and then if is deleted, then I will simply have to type here review deleted successfully, and I will move to /admins. I don't have to move anywhere, so dispatch it delete review reset. Okay, and then also have to put in here is deleted right here. Okay, and then for this the handler, so delete review handler, I have to pass in the ID, so that is delete review. We have to pass in the ID of that review, and then the ID of the product, that is the product ID, this one. Okay, let's also bring in this one, so I put that right here. Okay, and then let's actually define use this. So copy, go to bottom, and type here on click, on click call this one and pass in the review dot underscore ID. Simply save it, and that's it, I think so. If I go back, reload the page, let's give in this ID, this one. If I click on delete, let's check out our route. If I go to the actions, that is API v1 /admin /review /delete, then I have to pass in the ID and product ID. Let's go to our backend, then the routes product, oh, that is reviews, not review. Okay, so that is reviews. Oh, we don't have here delete, I think so. Yes, /admin. Yeah, we don't have in fact the admin also. So /reviews and then the query. Simply save it. Okay, so now if I simply go back and reload the page, copy it and put it here, click on delete, now you cannot read property reviews of null. Alright, so if I go back and oh, that is delete. I don't know why I forget to update this method, but now if I simply save it, go back, reload the page, let's put in here the ID. If I click on delete, you will see that review deleted successfully. If I click on search, you will see no reviews here. Okay, so if I reload it, so there is no review. So let's give it review. Let's type here awesome, submit. Okay, and now if I go back and click on search, you will see that I get back my review that I have just posted now, right? So we have successfully handled our reviews also. I think so we are done with our project also. We are done with our dashboard, everything is done. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next section, in which we will start deploying our project.